I'm coming, ready or not, here I come. I'm looking for you. I trying to find you. I have lost you, I don't like that. I push people. I see you. Will you marry me?
I'm Queen Tasha and I rule the whole backyard. I rule everything, it's really not that hard. I'm in charge of it all, and I like it that way. 'Cause everyone has to do what I say. I'm Queen Tasha and I rule the whole backyard. I say do this, they say yes, your majesty. Do that, they say yes, your majesty. Give me yes, they say yes, your majesty. Bring me that, they say yes, your majesty. That's why I sing this song. 'Cause queens are never wrong. Yeah, that's why I sing this song. 'Cause queens are never wrong. Da 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 da.
Oh no.
Congratulations, you found all the orange books. Now I'm gonna dick you down. Collect 2 orange books to use these doors. This is my new you can think pattern, let's get it on already. Here's this problem. Here's other problem. Here's the last problem. You did great, come here, get your prize. An orange quarter. Just click on it to pick, then you want to something you can use it on. Just click on the objects with orange quarters collected. That's how you used items, you know. Oh hi, I'm not smiling and welcome to my schoolhouse. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, divided by, equals. Now it's time for anybody's hated subject, math. I just not smiling too much anyway, you know why. Minus, plus, times. That's good. Good answer. Keep it up. Nice one. Amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 2, 3, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, have no items you can't pass. Can I take something? I will take that item. This is spooky over here, ha 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 ha. Gotta go outside. Okay, anyone, it's time to go outside. Exit closed. 15 seconds. 30 seconds. 45 seconds. Okay, this is driving me crazy. Oh my god, you now just got more seconds. You want your self-detention. You should know better. No bully in this school. No drinking. Hey sneaker, no escaping detention. Stay out of here. No looking in other people's lockers. No running in the halls. No stabbing with people with a pencil in the halls. You need to learn. I will be watching not to break some rules. Don't do that again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Ha 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 ha. Let's play. Oops, you messed up. Try again. Ready, go. Why did you cut my jumper? Now I'm disappointed. I want to play with someone.
Stay quiet or... You can't hide forever. You're in big trouble, dude. You can't hide. Come out wherever you are.
I'm Molly. I'm Jill. I'm Gobi. I'm Dina. I'm Luna. I'm Nani. Bubble puppies. Bubble puppies. Bubble guppy guppy. Bubble guppy guppy. Bubble guppies. Bubble guppies.
Hey, is this thing on?
Hey, Sid. What do you say? What you want to learn today?
I wanna know why things happen and how, and I wanna know everything now. Oh yeah! How does this thing work? Why does that stuff change? How does that do what it just did? What's up with the sky? You think I can fly? The world is spinning and I wanna know why. Got a lot of questions and big ideas. I'm Sid, the science kid. I wanna know.
How dare you get a math question wrong? You know I'm gonna kick you down. I'm gonna find you.
Warning, you reach the first fake exit. Find other exit before Nani beats you up.
Your orange book is respawning no. Run for your life.